Hello students, welcome to the fifth session of Why Do We Fall Ill? In this session, we will be discussing about how diseases spread from one person to another. Let's see how do infectious diseases spread. Many microbial agents can commonly move from an affected person to someone else in a variety of ways. In other words, they can be communicated and are so called as communicable diseases. Some disease-causing microbes can spread through the air. This occurs through the little droplets thrown out by an infected person who sneezes or coughs. Someone standing close by can breathe in these droplets and the microbes get a chance to start a new infection. Examples of such diseases spread through the air are common cold, pneumonia, and tuberculosis. We all have had the experience of sitting near someone suffering from a cold and catching it ourselves. Air transmitted diseases are easier to catch the closer we are to the infected person. However, in closed areas, the droplet nuclei recirculate and pose a risk to everybody. Overcrowded and poorly ventilated housing is therefore a major factor in the spread of airborne diseases. Let's see how diseases spread through water. This occurs if the excreta from someone suffering from an infectious gut disease such as cholera get mixed with the drinking water used by the people living nearby. The cholera causing microbes will enter new hosts through the water they drink and cause disease in them. Such diseases are much more likely to spread in the absence of safe supplies of drinking water. The sexual act is one of the closest physical contact two people can have with each other. Not surprisingly, there are microbial diseases such as syphilis or AIDS that are transmitted by sexual contact from one partner to the other. However, such sexually transmitted diseases are not spread by casual physical contact. Casual physical contacts include handshakes or hugs or sports like wrestling or by any of the other ways in which we touch each other socially. Other than sexual contact, the AIDS virus can also spread through blood-to-blood contact with infected people or from an infected mother to her baby during pregnancy or through breastfeeding. Let's see what are vector-borne diseases. We live in an environment that is full of many other creatures apart from us. It is inevitable that many diseases will be transmitted by other animals. These animals carry infecting agents from a sick person to another potential host. These animals are thus the intermediaries and are called vectors. The commonest vectors we all know are mosquitoes. In many species of mosquitoes, the females need highly nutritious food in the form of blood in order to be able to lay mature eggs. Mosquitoes feed on many warm-blooded animals including us. In this way, they can transfer diseases from one person to another. Let's look into the common methods of transmission of diseases. Some of the diseases spread through direct contact. Some of them spread through indirect contact like sharing the utensils, sharing clothes, etc. Some of the diseases spread through air. Some of the diseases spread through contaminated food and water. Some of the diseases spread through mosquitoes or other insects like flies, and some of them spread through rabid animals. In this session, you have learned about various means of spread of diseases. With this, we come to the end of today's session. Thank you and have a great day.